Regular challenge ko, ano?
So, yung mga movie.
Sila mas movie.
So anyway, hindi ko background naman about us. When we were single, we were friends. Actually, when we were still students, we came from the same campus, same industry, music group, and we just enjoyed being friends. Actually, we were friends, pero parang nagkikilitan. Sinasabi niya palagi, we were just acquaintances. But every now and then, I realize now, where I was, you were always there. Bakit kaya? And then there was a time when we showing a little effort to get to know me. Mga few pocky on the side. Pero yung time na I back off. Sabi ko nga kay God, Lord, happy ever after na tayong dalawa. Possible na pala. So, I back off. I literally turned away from him. Sabi ko kasi, ngayon, sabi ko si Victor, he was so good with me. Everything is good. So sabi ko kay God, Lord, I don't want to, there is these good things in my life that I know that good. Pero what I want is the best that He has in store in my life. So I'm waiting for that. Sabi ko, sige, I'll back off and tell you that kind of friendship. And then, if it's really your will, if mission is really for me, you'll be the one to take away and orchestrate everything. And that was 1 year in the Navy. Sabi mo, sabi ko,
Master Class ang pangalan.
that was 1 year in the making. So I continued on serving God. Pero, because I know the friendship that we have began to bloom and grew, and the rest was history. Yeah, we got engaged, and after 6 months, we got married.
Wow. Nice story. When I was sharing, I can't help but just be on and how God worked. And of course, there were struggles. That's not, it's nothing new on that. Of course, there was something in your heart. And don't believe I'm perfect. I don't believe that. I really don't do. That's the one. Not perfect for mercy, but, easy, of course. But the thing about what happened to after looking and listening to her, is that in the midst of waiting, she was preparing herself. She submitted her insecurity to God. And insecurity is always there. Sometimes it comes back. But the good thing about it is, because she submitted to God and helped, if because siya nung kasama ko, wouldn't help. It won't. But the thing is, even in the midst of the struggle, and I'm sure she struggled, who will not struggle? There's a lot. But the thing is, there are struggles. Are there struggles in our heart? In your heart? In your heart? So, and for men, let me just speak to men. When we go, one of the things that God somehow did by His grace in my life, and I'm not saying it's not better than anyone, it's just that, as I grew in my relationship with God, one thing that God allowed somehow in my life was for me, as I entered into staplehood, it was not just passive waiting, or passively just doing my stuff, but it was an active preparation for me somehow because I knew I'm going to be married anyway. So, kung nasa middle na ng purpose na gana, kung nasa middle na ng purpose, sabi lang yung mga na, for that purpose for you, even if it's not yet now. The problem is, men delay this process. They go to single, they play around. The average age for men playing video games today is 33 years old. Sabihin mo, kung babae na yung tayo, eh, 25 pa lang siya. Walang taon na. Bakit walang sumunod sa bigbutin sa kanya? But the thing is, it's just that somehow the adolescence of men has been extended shown that because there was no active preparation, there's no, parang siguro, matagal maging boy, hindi na shift into manhood. And that's my burden for my kids, that they will shift to manhood as early as 13 to 13. I will be giving him a rite of passage that speaks to him that now, from a boy, you are a man. He never needs that sense of being given a rite of passage, telling that something has changed. But none of that today, so ang gulo ay ang identity crisis, and I'm hoping for him. Sana tayo yung actively preparing our role on leadership and all that. After the things that sanay bata na ako, sanay kaya na ako, doon pa kasasabay wala. But it was a joyful journey for us to work for those days because God brought us together. And we have the maturity to be able to somehow, to a certain extent, the maturity to be able to handle those days. Again, was it a better approach? No, there were struggles, but the thing is, there was somehow, somehow God has given us the grace to be able to walk that way. So I'm encouraging men. And now one of the biggest things I want to study that men wait or do not go into marriage immediately today is because they are able to get what they want outside of marriage. What they should be getting in marriage, women are allowing them to get outside of it. So what they do, minus all of those things, eto na. Okay na pala. And men, just playing around because they are allowed to play around. So women, know this. Don't sell yourself short. You are worth the wait, you're valuable, stay that way, you're not disposable. Well, disposable na rin yung bata. Tama? And for men, grow up. Grow up, man. We need to ask God to do a work in our lives to make us. And so, while the men were sleeping, God fashioned a woman, like, Eve, Eva fashioned her. So man, you see that? Ibang neto lupa kayo eh. And man, maybe God put it in the age, hanggang neto lupa. You see that? Panahon na grow up, sabi na natin pakita naman. But the thing is, we have to grow and prepare for the next stage in our life. And so God goes on to, this is Lord God made a woman and brought her to the man, and this is what man said. And I want, talking about, listen to this, very important.